Here at Artisan Studio, we primarily do high-end residential custom cabinetry. I purchased the refurbished IMA 400 in November of 2024. This machine, being a production machine, is designed to maintain as many hours a day as you want to run it. The Advantage 400 fits in very well for the type of production that we're doing. Seeing that there were refurbished machines with the durability of what you'd expect from an IMA edge banding, the machine was restored to all of the factory tolerances. The advantage of refurbished over new would be the cost. Obviously, you're saving a lot of money by going with the refurbished machine. For a smaller, established shop, I think the price point's excellent. The experience was even more information than what I expected. The technician that had refurbished the machine was there to show us everything. Very good about teaching us how to use it, make any adjustments that we need to be making, and just really make sure that the quality of the edge banding is as perfect as it possibly could be. The machine I got came with a 1-year warranty, and that experience has been excellent. As far as holding up their end of the warranty, I've been very pleased. It's been great working with the technicians. They've done their part to make sure that anything that has come up is taken care of immediately. I feel like I've developed some relationships with the company that have been very good. When we have a question, we have an issue, we need to have someone deal with it, I'm speaking to the same person every time. I'm speaking to the people I bought the machine from. That gives you security, knowing that there's someone there that you feel like has your back.